Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on downloading offline maps on the Google Maps app. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Google Maps app and make sure you are logged in to your Google account. Now search for the area you would like to download. It can be any type of area such as a country, city or province. Now open the info panel for that area. You will see there is a download button. You can now crop the map to your liking and only download what you need. Offline maps can take up quite a lot of space, so make sure you have room on your device. The map will now start downloading. Once it's done, you will be able to use Google Maps in that area when you are offline. To view your saved maps, tap on your profile image at the top of the screen and then select Offline Maps. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.